Hello kids! Today's video is very colorful because we are going to learn primary and the secondary colors. Okay, kids, red, blue and yellow are the primary color, and after the mixing of primary colors we make new colors called secondary color. Let's start the video with example. Now we do an experiment using water, milk and food coloring dye like red, blue and yellow. Would you like to do that? Yes. Okay. Kids, I have 3 glass containers. 1, 2, 3. And first we are going to fill each of these containers with water. Now we are going to add milk each of these containers. Add on milk, we help our colors be nice and bright. First, I have a red color dye. Add on milk and mix it up. Oh, it's look nice, the red color. Then I have blue color. Add the blue color in second glass container. Oh, blue color is very beautiful and nice. It's look bright. Then I have third glass container. Add the yellow color in this container. Oh, it's look nice. Red, blue, yellow. These are primary colors. Okay kids, are you like it? Kids, do you know the yellow, blue and red are the primary colors? And are you ready to mix these primary colors to make new colors? Okay, I have 3 more glass containers. 1, 2, 3. Again we will add water. Now add the milk. Milk helps color appear nice and bright. Now what do you think will happen if we mix red color with yellow color? Red and yellow, red and yellow. what will happen? When red color mix with yellow color makes orange color, red with mix yellow color makes orange color. Okay kids? What will happen when yellow color mix with blue color? When yellow color mix with blue color makes green color. Yellow mix with blue makes green color. Kids, what will happen when red color mix with blue color? Okay. When red mix with blue color makes purple color. Red with mix blue color makes purple color. Kids, you know, yellow, blue and red are the primary colors and green, purple and orange are the secondary colors. These are primary and secondary colors. I hope you will be enjoy. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and learning how to make all of these different colors. See you next time. Okay, take care.